Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best blenders for crushing ice that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option, a high-performance premium blender, or something in between, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 4, we have the Nahida blender for smoothies, a 1200-watt powerhouse designed for those who need both portability and performance. With a peak rotation speed of 25,000 RPM, this blender excels at crushing ice, blending tough ingredients, and making nutrient-packed smoothies in seconds. What sets the Nahida apart is its inclusion of 3 portable cups, 23-ounce, 32-ounce, and 37-ounce, making it perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. Additionally, the 2 6-fin stainless steel blades are versatile enough for grinding coffee beans and nuts or making smoothies and frozen drinks. The design of the Nahida blender is compact yet durable, with a silver base that adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. Enhanced safety features like non-slip silicone feet and an overheat protection system ensure stability and longevity, even during heavy use. While the blender lacks a dedicated pulse function, its straightforward twist-to-lock mechanism makes operation simple and intuitive. However, its relatively small size and lack of larger pitcher options might limit its appeal for families or those who need to blend in bulk. Overall, the Nahida blender is an excellent choice for individuals or couples who are always on the move. The portability, powerful motor, and versatile blade system make it highly functional, though its compact size and lack of advanced features may leave some users wanting more. It's a great pick for those seeking a mid-range blender that balances performance and convenience. At number 3, we have the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender, the most budget-friendly option on our list. Priced at just $39.95, this blender is packed with features, including 700 watts of power, a 40-ounce dishwasher-safe glass jar, and 12 blending functions. Thanks to its patented wave action system, ingredients are continuously forced down into the ice saber blades, ensuring thorough blending and smooth results. Whether you're making smoothies, protein shakes, or frozen drinks, this blender gets the job done without breaking the bank. The design is functional and straightforward, with a durable glass jar that feels premium despite the affordable price point. The easy pour spout adds convenience, and the 5-button control panel is intuitive even for first-time users. However, the 700W motor, while adequate for small tasks, may struggle with heavy-duty blending or prolonged use. It's also worth noting that the smaller capacity might not be ideal for larger households. This blender is ideal for budget-conscious individuals or those who need a reliable appliance for occasional use. The versatility of 12 functions, combined with its low price, makes the Hamilton Beach blender a great value. That said, if you're looking for a high-powered workhorse for daily use, you may want to consider another option higher up on this list. Taking the second spot is the Ninja Professional Blender, 1000 watts, a full-sized countertop blender with a 72-ounce pitcher that's perfect for large families or frequent entertainers. With its 1000-watt motor and total crushing technology, this blender pulverizes ice and tough ingredients in seconds, creating restaurant-quality frozen drinks and smoothies. The included recipe guide is a nice touch for those looking to get creative in the kitchen. The design is robust and professional, with a BPA-free, dishwasher-safe pitcher and stainless steel blades that are built to last. At 7.1 pounds, it's heavier than some of the other blenders on this list, but the extra weight adds to its stability. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its dishwasher-safe components. While it doesn't offer pre-programmed settings, the 4 manual speeds provide plenty of control for most blending tasks. This blender is a fantastic mid to high tier option for those who need power and capacity without venturing into premium pricing. It's great for families, party hosts, or anyone who regularly blends in large quantities. The only downside is that some users might find it a bit loud during operation, but that's a small trade-off for its performance and durability. And finally, at the number 1 spot, we have the Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. This premium offering boasts an impressive 1,400 peak watts of power, making it the most powerful blender on our list. It features 3 Auto IQ programs that take the guesswork out of blending, with pre-programmed settings for smoothies, frozen drinks, and even ice cream. The 72-ounce tonal crushing pitcher is ideal for large batches, and the included recipe inspiration guide is perfect for those who love experimenting with new flavors. The design is sleek and modern, with intuitive controls and a durable build. Despite its power, the Ninja BN701 prioritizes user-friendliness, with easy-to-clean components that are dishwasher-safe and BPA-free. The Auto IQ technology is a standout feature, automatically adjusting blending patterns for optimal results. While it's the most expensive option on this list at $109.99, its combination of power, capacity, and convenience is unmatched. This blender is perfect for anyone who demands professional-level performance in their kitchen. Whether you're blending smoothies every day, hosting parties, or experimenting with homemade frozen desserts, the Ninja BN701 delivers consistent, high-quality results every time. The price is justified by its advanced features and robust build quality, making it the ultimate choice for power users and blending enthusiasts alike. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy blending.